Hey, good morning gamers. Today we have here the GMK2, the sequel to the original GMMK. I'm going into this blind. So this is the pre-built edition with, what is it, link switches?
No, Fox.
Fox switches, they're linear. And typing degree is at 7 angle and it's at 65%, that's hot swap friendly. So it should be like it's an easy thing to mod lah. So if you're like not very into any, like customs, but you still want to play around, this is great. So in the box you get user manual, some guides, a free snack. Don't actually eat those. A nice braided cable, not coiled, very thick boy. Oh, this is actually really big. Keycap puller, escape key, and a switch puller, but no extra switches.
Time to slap some arcade browns in this bad boy.
Hey! Here we have free PE foam mod, so it's gonna make your keyboard sound better. Look up PE foam mod if you don't know what that is. It's heavier than the Emperor 2, the GK, the RKs. Yeah, it's kind of heavy. There's an aluminum top with a plastic bottom, and the feet only flips up once, so there's only like 2 degrees of typing angle that you can change. This is about probably like 8 to 10 degrees, which is like very, very steep, not friendly for your hands. But this is fine. Actually, I like the weight, like, it feels great. Definitely premium. Already justified if you compare it to the RK stuff. So let's plug it in. Centered USB, very nice. It's a common feature for expensive board. There's side lighting now, wow. I'm gonna assume this works with the Glorious Core software.
QMK compatible as well.
Really? QMK?
Yeah, man, it's in the box.
Holy no fucking way.
Look at the back, man.
Oh, holy shit.
Bad boy, this one.
It's QMK. Okay, that's great. So let's try out these Fox switches.
Yeah, man, Fox.
You know. It needs a bit of work. I don't like the sound, but honestly, for what it promises, just like a RGB heavy, like not really like full metal, but there is metal, RGB metal, 65% layout that's really popular lately. I think this is a great value. Actually, like with this like gap here, it makes it very easy for you to like change keycaps. So like if there are like GMK keycaps or like the Akko stuff that you want to put in, you don't need to worry about like random weird sizes. Like these are all like pretty default and common in like those like 140 keycap sets.
You want to know the retail price, Dom?
How much?
500 ringgit.
Okay, I think this is justifiable. It's either this or a tofu, and the tofu doesn't have this much RGB. So it looks like we still have like the same PCB maker, and it's still plate mounted stabs. Don't quote me on that. Maybe you can. No, you definitely can't. These are plate mounted stabs only. So if you want to mod, do take note. As for the switches, these are the Fox switches. So this board is hot swap, so you can just pull it right out. Like if one dies, you can just pull it out like I did and put in a new one. It's fine. Housing is clear for RGB, obviously. Let's crack this bad boy open up. Okay, so this is the Glorious Fox switch. It's clear housing for RGB. It's linear. Spring is nothing special. It's just like a 14mm normal spring. And it's factory lubed, so that's why it's so smooth. And I'm gonna take a guess that this is a full PC housing. There's a bit of scratch you want to hear for it, but it definitely feels smooth. So you really do get what you pay for. It's a lot better than the Gatorons in like their dry, non-loop stock form, that's for sure. So for 500 something, and if you like prefer this kind of like low profile design, meaning like this part is actually visible and RGB, This is good value for your money.
Is it a good start for beginners?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. I think what Glorious did here is good with QMK support. So yeah, that's all from me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, Soundcycle. I love you. Please send me RTX 3080. Thank you.
You can finally stop using a Black Widow.